Hello and welcome to another episode of Old Line Watches. With you as always is this guy right here, Jeremy, your old man from the old line state of Maryland. And today we are going to be popping open the Keeper Box. Let's see what we get for April. Last month we got a NTH Antilles, which was pretty cool. Pretty excited to have. Packing material. Ooh, keep the mystery in place a little more. They even wrapped it in tissue paper. Their little instructional book thing and feedback chart to help them further improve your experience. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, Alpina. That is a good brand. Let's see what we've got here. We have a very thick warranty book card thing. Ah, okay. It's their warranty card and a serious business instruction manual. We're going to go ahead and put that right back because in the event that we decide to not keep the Keeper Box, we want to be able to send it on to the next person in as good a shape as possible. I'm going to set this down. This plastic is getting a little too fighty for me right now. Let's have a look at this star. Would you take a look at that? Let's get this off of here. Oh my, aren't you just a pretty lady? All right, we got black on black on black on black. We got boink, nice responsive crown. Good wind on this thing. Very smooth. Starting right up there. I'll tighten that bit, crown back in there. Come on, there we go. Right. Cool. That is. Oh, they gave me a piece. They put the sticky back on there to peel. That's very kind of them. Yum, 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 yum. Save that to pass on to the next lucky individual. What's this here? Oh, just a reference sticker. It is the AL525BB5FBA. Boy, very inventive people. All right. 100-meter water resist, Swiss made, Alpiner automatic, sapphire, fit main. I don't know what that is, but it's probably some very good leather. Let's say well, the bezel motion is good. It's a little weird sounding, but not terrible. It's just a little, it sounds a little odd. I wonder if it's the material it's made out of or what. Lines up at least very well. That second hand of red is a very nice little pop of color. Crown looks nice. Fairly basic oyster type style case, but good curve on the lugs. Let's what is this? What the? What are you? What in the? It's got a button on it? What is it? It's screwed in place. I'm utterly confused by this entire thing here. I'm gonna have to do something very drastic. Dun dun dun! I actually use the manual. Oh, okay. Got the operating instructions per watch here. So what we got here is the That is the, let's have a look, AL52X. AL52, okay, so page 13. Bink, bink, bink. Nope, that didn't help at all. Special instructions, other instructions. I don't even know anymore. We're going to have to use our other last resort. And now the actual deep last resort. Let's see what we've got here. Yes, 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 yes. Don't care about that. No, don't give me anything. There we go. Search function. All right, let's see what we got here. Boop. AL. Dash 525 BB. Oop, we lost it. Ah, looks like a Star Timer Pilot Automatic, maybe. No, it's not. So I have to figure out what the heck this thing is. Or more important, I have to figure out what the heck this thing is. What is that? It's got a... let's... MMT 100. Let's see what an MMT 100 is. Alpina MMT 100. No, that didn't really help at all. What is this thing? E-strap. Make any analog watch smart. What? Oh, I gotta download an app and everything for this thing. 7 days of battery life, 4 hours of charging time. No way to actually charge it in the box. I will reach out to our friends at the Keeper Box to see if maybe they've got something there that I don't, because this thing does not have... Oh my god. All right, so this has some kind of smart functionality on it. I don't know what it is or how it works, but I can see now that it's got a spring bar connected here and here. So basically just adds a little bit of length to the strap, which means you just got to put on a little bit tighter than normal. But I am very, very interested in finding out more about this, but I don't know that I can yet because this thing has to be charged and there is no charging device with it. So I'm going to have to reach out to our friends at the Keeper Box and see if they can send that along for me. I also want to take a moment while I'm just looking at this pretty thing here to make mention of the customer service people over at the Keeper Box. In particular, a person named Chloe, who was super helpful, super kind, super responsive. Sorry, Alex. Everything I wasn't expecting to get. You know, they said they've heard us and they're working to make changes, and I'm seeing changes. So this makes me happy to see. And good job, Chloe. Alex, give her a raise. She's awesome. But in the meanwhile, it's pretty awesome, and I'm definitely going to wear it. So, yeah, it's got that going for it. All right, well, until next time, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and this has been your old man from the Old Line State, signing off.